How to save one-time view photos on Telegram. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about saving one-time view photos on Telegram. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Now, go to the chat where you received the one-time view photo. When you tap on the photo, it'll open and can only be viewed once. Now, here's the important part. Telegram has designed this feature for privacy, which means there is no official option to save or download one-time view photos. You also won't be able to forward the image, take screenshots, in many cases it's blocked, or save it to your gallery. However, here are a couple of things you can try, but keep in mind they may not always work. First method, use another device to take a photo of the screen while the image is open. Second method, some older versions of Telegram or certain devices may allow screenshots, but this is not guaranteed and may violate privacy rules. Important note, always respect the sender's privacy. One-time view photos are meant to disappear after being seen. And that's it. Now you know the truth about saving one-time view photos on Telegram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.